What is your name? My name is Kitty. What is your name? My name is Kitty. Black cat, female, adult, more than 1 year old, more than nearly 2 years. I'm sorry for that. 2 years and more. Okay, grammar, vocabulary, fixed. 2020 holiday season. Born. 2 of them were born maybe after April. Okay, April 2020. So that they are bigger than 2 years. Okay, in upstairs and downstairs now. Wherever half of apartment is ours. 2 duplex daire is ownership of mine, of yours, cat. One of them is cathouse, one of them is pension. Okay, sorry for cat. I will go upstairs front for her. Yes, she is here. Bravo. We can speak English basically without reading, writing, thinking, so that it is good to see you. Free speech in lesson 1, like a school. Well, English, free speech, English, second language learning. Okay, we can repeat me. We are rich with family cats. We can help. We can be rich. We can be healthy, so that we are healthy. We are rich. And then if go to abroad, you can not good as others, so that come with me to the cat house. Bravo, kitty, bravo. More than 3 minutes, okay? Bravo, kitty, bravo. Thank you for watching.